the accusations of an Asian invasion here. They come pointing fingers at me. Preying on a mass emotion, stirring up a big commotion, trying to assign responsibilities. Gonna stop this negativity, turn it into positivity with integrity, giving all of me for all to see. This fight for equality, but even if they blame us, try to frame us, but nobody can shame us. Homogeneousness versus Chinese. Try